Hello student. In previous lecture we see the general introduction of chemistry, in which we have to see what is chemistry. It means ki definition of chemistry and branches of chemistry and its importance. Dear student, today we are going to start chapter number 14, basic principle of organic chemistry. First of all, we see introduction of this chapter. Organic chemistry is the chemistry of carbon compound. Carbon has unusual property to form strong bond with many other elements and especially with other carbon atom to form chain and ring that gives to millions of organic compound. That means carbon has a special property to form strong bond with many other elements. Many other elements, it means hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, halogen and so on, and especially with carbon atom to form chain. It means कि जो एलिफेटिक चेन बोलते हैं तो स्ट्रांगली एलिफेटिक चेन फॉर्म करता है एंड गिव्स रिंग फॉर्मेशन होती है. So all of the element, only carbon is able to form immense array of compound ranging from methane. It means कि it start from first carbon is called as methane, ranging from methane having one carbon atom to deoxyribonucleic acid. It means DNA deoxyribonucleic acid with billion of carbon, It means कि CH4 having one carbon, it start from one carbon to with billion of carbon. DNA, it means कि DNA के अंदर जो चेन होती है वो चेन बिलियंस ऑफ कार्बन की होती है. तो जनरली मीथेन टू DNA, इट मीन्स विद द बिलियन कार्बन्स उसके अंदर कंसिस्ट होते हैं. सो मोस्ट ऑफ द फूड स्टफ्स दैट वी हैव कंज्यूम एवरी डे such as sugar, starch, vinegar, etc. are basically organic compound. The pharmaceutical industry is one of the most important chemical industry that provide us medicine which are organic compound. It means कि we take the medicine, it is also chemistry, it is also organic chemistry. Then it is also in food industry, textile industry, petroleum industry, pharmaceutical industry, plastic industry and so on, so in which organic compound is used. And one thing also is here, crude oil. All of you know that what is crude oil. We obtain crude oil, kerosene, petrol and diesel. So it is the complex mixture. Is called hydrocarbon. तो जो क्रूड ऑयल होते हैं तो क्रूड ऑयल के अंदर हाइड्रोकार्बन प्रेजेंट होते हैं. सो इट इज द जनरल इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ organic chemistry. Next, representation of organic compound. Representation of organic compound. First of all, Lewis structure or dot structure, in which two electron bonded to form a covalent bond. A covalent bond are shown by dots. Example: methane, CH4, CH, carbon having valency 4. Here carbon electron showing by dot and hydrogen electron showing by cross. Here mention cross electron of hydrogen and dot shows electron of carbon. Okay, so in which Lewis structure, dot structure or electronic structure, in which two electron bonded to form covalent bond are shown by dot. तो Lewis structure के अंदर जो रिप्रेजेंटेशन है वो रिप्रेजेंटेशन बाय डॉट से होता है. नेक्स्ट structural representation, in which single bond represented by single dash like this. Second, double bond represented by double dash like this. And triple bond represented by triple dash like this. So in which Lewis structure is simplified by representing the two electron covalent bond dash. A single dash means covalent जो बॉन्ड है जो दो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स सिंपली डैश से यहाँ पर रिप्रेजेंट किया गया है. तो सिंगल बॉन्ड के लिए सिंगल डैश, डबल बॉन्ड के लिए डबल डैश और ट्रिपल बॉन्ड के लिए ट्रिपल डैश. एग्जाम्पल: फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल H is मीथेन. यहाँ पे लेविस स्ट्रक्चर के अंदर यहाँ पे ऐसा स्ट्रक्चर था, तो इसको मिला के हमने यहाँ पे एक बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशन किया है, कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशन किया है. दिस इज अ सिंगल डैश, इट मीन्स ए सिंगल बॉन्ड. सेकंड वन इज इथिलीन. Double dash, double bond is represented by double dash, it is ethylene. And third one is acetylene. So in here triple dash indicates triple bond. acetylene तो ये हुआ स्ट्रक्चरल फार्मूला. it is called complete structural formula. Third one is condensed formula. Condensed structural formula. So in which remove all dashes. इसमें क्या होता है? remove all dash representing covalent bond. And indicating number of identical group attached to an atom by a subscript. It means कि lower case. So in condensed structure formula, the structural representation can be simplified by omitting some or all of the dashes representing covalent bond and indicating number of identical group attached to an atom by subscript. It means कि lower case. Example: CH3 CH2 CH2 CH3. First example, remove all dashes representing covalent bond. यहाँ से हमने all the dash are remove जो covalent bond represent करते हैं and indicating the number of identical group attached to an atom by subscript. ये जो यहाँ पे दिख रहे हैं इसको हम नंबरिंग किए तो सबस्क्रिप्ट एट द लोअर साइड में हम उसको नंबरिंग किया है और उसको एज हम उसको इस तरह लिख सकते हैं कि CH3 CH2 ट्वाइस CH3. यहाँ पर देखिए CH3 CH2 CH2 CH3, यहाँ पर CH2 दो बार है तो हम क्या करेंगे उसको और कंडेंस करेंगे, इसको हम शॉर्ट फॉर्म में और लिखेंगे तो CH3 CH2 ट्वाइस CH3. और एक एग्जांपल देखते हैं. सेकंड एग्जांपल, CH3 CH2 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 CH3. यहाँ पे हमने सब जो डैश कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड रिमूव किए ओमिटिंग किए और हम इसका लिखेंगे CH3 कितने CH2 ग्रुप है 3 CH2 ग्रुप है CH3 CH2 ब्रैकेट थ्राइस CH3. तो ये हो गया कंडेंस स्ट्रक्चरल फॉर्मूला इन विच रिमूव ऑल डैश रिप्रेजेंटिंग इन कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड. जो स्ट्रक्चरल फार्मूला के अंदर जो भी डैश है वो डैश कंडेंस स्ट्रक्चरल फार्मूला के अंदर रिमूव हो गए और इंडिकेटिंग नंबर ऑफ आइडेंटिकल ग्रुप अटैच टू एन एटम बाय सबस्क्रिप्ट. तो जनरली CH3 CH2 है तो 3 2 जो भी आया है वो हम सब लोअर केस में लिखेंगे. नेक्स्ट लास्ट रिप्रेजेंटेशन मेथड, बॉन्ड लाइन फॉर्मूला. बॉन्ड लाइन फॉर्मूला In bond line formula, कार्बन एंड हाइड्रोजन आटम आर नॉट शोन. इट मीन्स कि वहाँ पर हम C और हाइड्रोजन मीन्स C और H हम वहाँ पे नहीं लिखेंगे. द डैशेस रिप्रेजेंट कार्बन कार्बन, इट मीन्स कि C डैश C आर ड्रॉन इन zigzag manner. It means कि just like this zigzag manner. The terminal denote methyl group. The terminal denote methyl group and the line junction denote carbon atom bonded to appropriate number of hydrogen required to satisfy the valency of carbon atom. It means कि हम इसको एग्जाम्पल के देखते हैं. सपोज CH3 CH2 CH CH2 CH2 CH3, यहाँ पे CH3. First of all we see all the carbon having maintained valency 4. Okay, then it is the in the form of structural representation. Then we go to condensed structural formula. In condensed structural formula, remove all dash CH3 CH2 CH CH2 CH2 CH3, here CH3. Then here in which bond line formula we are not written or we are not show carbon and hydrogen atom. The dash representing carbon carbon are drawn in zigzag manner. First of all here CH3 CH2 CH CH2 CH2 CH3, here CH3. Look here, here is CH3, here CH2, here CH CH2 CH2 CH3, and finally here CH3. So in which the line junction denote carbon atom bonded to appropriate number of hydrogen required to satisfy the valency of carbon atom. Here to maintain the valency of carbon, it means कि number of hydrogen वहाँ पे required है to maintain the valency of carbon. So then finally we write in that manner. It means zigzag method or zigzag manner. CH3 CH2 CH CH2 CH2 CH3. Suppose here CH3, it means कि here CH CH, it means कि the valency of carbon is here maintained. CH 1 2 3 4 CH. Take another example. CH2 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 CH2. It is right in bond line formula. We simply draw the square. It means here CH2, here CH2, here CH2, and here CH2. In bond line formula, the terminal denotes methyl group. Like here, look, CH3, CH3, and CH3. It means कि terminal here, 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 and here terminal denote methyl group. So आज के लिए फिलहाल इतना ही. गुड बाय, टेक केयर.